Students, today we are going to learn about the SCF. SCF means highest common factor. SCF is also called as GCD. GCD means greatest common divisor. SCF म्हणजे महत्तम सामायिक विभाजक, म्हणजे त्याला आपण मसावी असं म्हणतो. मसावी महत्तम सामायिक विभाजक. विभाजक म्हणजे भाग जाणाऱ्या संख्या, मोठ्यात मोठी भाग जाणारी सामायिक संख्या म्हणजे मसावी. आता आपण मागच्या वर्षी डिवायझर मेथड अभ्यासली, विभाजक पद्धतीने आपण मसावी काढला. लास्ट टाइम we learned about the divisor method. Now we revise the divisor method. Find the SCF of 15 and 25 by divisor method. Look at the blackboard now. First, write the divisor of 15. Divisors of 15. Then write down 1, 3, then 5, then 15. Divisors of 25 is equal to 1, 5, then 25. These are the divisors of 15 and 25. The divisors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. The divisors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. म्हणजे भाग जाणारी संख्या 15 ला भाग जाणारी संख्या 1, 3, 5 आणि 15. त्याचप्रमाणे 25 ला भाग जाणारी संख्या 1, 5 आणि 25. या संख्यांनी 25 ला भाग जातो. आता याच्यामध्ये कॉमन जो आहे म्हणजे सामायिक विभाजक, मोठ्यात मोठा सामायिक विभाजक कोणता तो पहा. तर पहा इथं एक सामायिक आहे, एक सामायिक आहे. इथं 3 आहे, इथं 3 नाही, पण इथं 5 आहे. पहा 5, इथं 5 आहे. याच्या व्यतिरिक्त मोठा सामायिक विभाजक याच्यामध्ये आहे का तर नाही. म्हणून सो द हायेस्ट common divisor of 15 and 25 is 5. Therefore, GCD, or we can say that SCF of 15 and 25 is 5. Okay, in this way we can find the SCF or GCD by divisor method. Try an example and try to solve the examples. Now we learn about the factorization method. अवयव पद्धतीने मसाल काढणे. We learn about the factorization method. Now we find the SCF by using factorization method. अवयव पद्धतीने आपल्याला मसाल कसा काढतात ते पाहिजे. Look at the example. Find the SCF of 45 and 81. There are two arrangements to find the factors. Horizontal arrangement and second vertical arrangement. Horizontal म्हणजे आडवी मांडणी आणि vertical म्हणजे उभी मांडणी. Now look at the blackboard. The factors of 45 is equal to here 4 plus 5 9. Therefore 3 is suitable for here. Now the divisibility is 3. 15. 3 into 15. Now the divisibility test of 3 is also suitable for here. 15 is divisible by 3. Therefore 3 into 3 into 5. These are the factors of 45. 3 into 3 into 5. कसे आल्यावर पहा 45 ला 3 ने भाग जातो. 3 गुणिले 15. 45 भागिले 3 केलं 15 आलं. 3 गुणिले 15. 15 ला पुन्हा 3 ने भाग जातो. आधीचा 3 जसा तसा लिहिला. 3 गुणिले 5. आता 81. Find the factors of 81. 81 is also divisible by 3. Therefore 3 into 3 to the 6, remainder 2 plus next digit 1, 21. 3 7 the 21. Now 27 is again divisible by 3 into 9. 9 is again divisible by 3. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. These are the factors of 81. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 9. 27. 27 these are 80. 81. These are the factors of 81. Now we find the common factors of 45 and 81. Here the common factors of 45 and 81 is equal to, which are the common factors here? 3. So write 1 times 3. Then next here 3, again 3 is a common factor. 3 into here 5 is a factor of 45. Here there is no 5. Therefore only 3 into 3 are the common factors of 45 and 81. Therefore now the common factors of 45 and 81 is 3 into 3. Therefore the GCD or HCF of 45 and 81 is 3 into 3, 9. मसाले आपण काढला 45 आणि 81 चा 9. तो कसा आला? तर 45 चे अवयव 3 गुणिले 3 गुणिले 5. 81 चे अवयव 3 गुणिले 3 गुणिले 3 गुणिले 3. आता 45 आणि 81 यांच्या सामायिक अवयव कोणते ते शोधायचे. कोणते सामायिक अवयव आले त्यांचे? 3 आणि 3. त्यांचा गुणाकार 3 गुणिले 3 म्हणजे किती? 9. म्हणून इथं आपण लिहिला 9. 3 into 3 9. Therefore the GCD or HCF of 45 and 81 is 9. त्याचा मसाला किती आला? 81. लक्षात ठेवायचे मसावी अवयव पद्धतीने मसावी करताना सामायिक अवयवांचा गुणाकार जो असतो तो त्या संख्यांचा मसावी असतो. The product of common factors of the number is the HCF of that numbers. Now second arrangement, vertical arrangement, 45 and 81. 45 is divisible by 3, 81 is also divisible by 3, therefore here 15, here 27. Again 15 and 27 both are divisible by 3, here 5, here 9. Now listen carefully. Here only 3 and 3. 3 multiplied 3 are the common factors of 45 and 81. Here 5 is a prime number. The factors of 9 and 5 are not common now. Therefore there are only 3 into 3 are common factors of 45 and 81. Therefore the GCD of 45 and 81 is 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 3 गुणिले 3 किती आले? 9. 45 आणि 81 चा मसाले आला 9. Now look at the another example. Find the HCF of 40 and 60. Try both arrangements, horizontal or vertical. First I solve one method. I use horizontal method. Horizontal arrangement, we factorize the 40 and 60 by horizontal arrangement. You can try horizontal arrangement or vertical arrangement. The factors of 40R. 40 is divisible by 2, therefore 2 into 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20. Again 20 is divisible by 2, therefore 2 into 2. 20 divided by 2 means 10. Now 10 is again divisible by 2, therefore 2 into 2 into 2. 10 divided by 2 means is equal to 5. Therefore, the factors of 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Right? Now, take the product of 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 5, 40. Now, factors of 60. 60 is divisible by 2, therefore 2 into 30. Again 30 is divisible by 2, 2 into 2 into 15. Now 15 is not divisible by 2. Then use next divisibility test, that is 3. 15 is divisible by 3, therefore use here 3. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Now these are the factors of 60. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 5, 60. Now write the common factors of 40 and 60. The common factors of 40 and 60 is equal to, which are the common factors? Now find. सामायिक अवयव शोधा यांचे कोणकोणते? Here 2, 2, right? 1 time 2. Then next, here again 2, here again 2, therefore 2 into 2. Next, here 2, but in this factor there is no 2, therefore we cannot write 2 here. Now next 5, here 5. Next common factor is 5. So the common factors of 40 and 60 are 2 into 2 into 5. Write the product of 2 into 2 into 5, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 5, 20. So, the HCF of 40 and 60 is 20. Okay? The HCF of 40 and 60 is 20. 40 आणि 60 यांचा मसावी काय आला? 20. या पद्धतीने उदाहरण सोडवा. अवयव पद्धतीने हॉरिझॉन्टल मेथड अरेंजमेंट वापरा किंवा व्हर्टिकल अरेंजमेंट. हेच उदाहरण तुम्ही व्हर्टिकल अरेंजमेंटने सोडवायचे. सॉल्व द एक्झाम्पल्स युजिंग व्हर्टिकल अरेंजमेंट अँड ट्राय अनदर एक्झाम्पल्स टू सॉल्व बोथ अरेंजमेंट, व्हर्टिकल अँड हॉरिझॉन्टल अरेंजमेंट. Remember one thing, the product of common multiple factors, the product of common factors is the HCF of that numbers. लक्षात ठेवायची गोष्ट एकच आहे की सामायिक अवयवांचा गुणाकार जो असतो तो गुणाकार हा त्यांचा मसावी असतो. ज्याप्रमाणे उदाहरण सोडवायचे आणि आपल्या नोटबुक मध्ये लिहायचे.